today is going to be about chess. Why do I play chess game? Why do I find myself always playing chess game? Be it on my system or physically with my workers or sometimes with my friends at work. Well, scientifically, chess has a lot of benefit to humans. It gives you the opportunity to think different, to have a different perspective. Sometimes it helps its players to have another degree of focus. So it helps you to focus very well, to think ahead of any trouble you find yourself, to imbibe and cultivate the habit of problem solving. You see, chess is not just about moving the elements. There is more to this board game. You see, it gives you the opportunity to think from your opponent's perspective. When you make a move, you can predict what your opponent is going to think and how he's going to respond to your movement. So chess is the mind at work. So it's a mental thing, and it helps you to grow, to improve your productivity, and to stay very active and productive. I use chess as an opportunity to unwind and connect with my followers, sometimes with my friends, and sometimes to just feel different. It has a downside though. Chess is time consuming. It takes a lot of your time and energy and your focus. You move away from any problem. But what is my biggest motivation to stay and keep playing chess? I once found myself in an organization in the southern part of Nigeria where I was either to be accepted or rejected. I was rejected. But then that same day, in the evenings, I saw some of my colleagues going to play games and they were asking me, I was dealing with my depression of being rejected. They were asking me which game can I play, and I said I can play chess game. And luckily for me, there was a director in that place that knows how to play chess. In fact, they call him the grandmaster of chess in that organization. So they took me to him, and luckily for me, I was able to play well with that director, and I won him 6-0. We started the game at 5 in the evenings and we finished 1 a.m. in the morning. Now that opportunity alone gave me the contact, the connection with that organization, and they gave me acceptance the next day because of the influence of that director and because of the impact I had from my chess experience. So ladies and gentlemen, don't look at chess as just a board game. It is beyond the board. It's a psychological game. It's a game never designed for the blind. It's a game that incorporates a lot of mental stimulation. So if you want to be different, if you want to think better, if you want to think ahead of your counterpart, ahead of your enemy, then chess is your game. I'll see you in my next video.